As we join you tonight, a slew of developments all pertaining to our new surge in coronavirus cases in St. Louis. In just 3 weeks' time, the Omicron variant is now the dominant variant in America. Both Missouri and Illinois have growing cases. New data tonight shows the St. Louis area is again dealing with hospitals filling up. Bed capacity around the metro is shrinking. We're at 85% tonight. In intensive care units, 79% capacity. Some elective surgeries are also being canceled once again as well. Well, a new data map, check this out, also showing painting a problematic picture. Here, counties and states across the country are color-coded based on the surge in caseload. So dark red and deep purple counties show where cases are stacking the fastest in just the past 7 days. This latest surge is hitting as holiday travel this week speeds up, also speeding up those racing to find a place to get a last-minute COVID test. News 4's Damon Arnold reports tonight on the demand hitting health departments and urgent cares metro-wide hard.
Very frustrating because everything's changing daily.
Vessie Perkins says she's having a hard time feeling excited about her trip to Cabo next week because she can't find anyone to administer a COVID PCR test within the 48-hour window needed to meet travel guidelines.
It's very stressful simply because we're excited about going to rest, but getting up to that point is very concerning right now because it's the fear of the unknown. We don't know if we're going to get the test, and if we get the test, we don't know if we're going to get the results back in time.
Testing locations like St. Louis County Health Department and Total Access Urgent Care say they're seeing massive demands for COVID tests due to the holiday travel period.
What we're seeing is an unusually strong demand here as we start the week for testing.
So it is really tight. Seeing a massive increase on our traffic on our website and on our phone calls. We can see a lot of people are out there searching for care. And so we are pretty much at capacity every day.
St. Louis County has shifted personnel to try to compensate for the influx. You don't need an appointment, but it's strongly recommended. Total Access says you do need an appointment, allotting 200 slots per day at 4 anti-symptom testing sites. But you have to act quickly as they fill up fast.
I've spent a lot of time Googling, trying to find other clinics like the Mercy clinics and things like that to assist. But even the options are limited to the places that you can go and get those types of tests done, especially during the holiday season.
Damon Arnold, News 4.
And the Metro Pandemic Task Force says breakthrough cases account for 20 to 25% of hospitalizations in our area tonight. I spoke with the head of the task force about whether or not we should be concerned about that number.
The majority of them are either above the age of 65 or immunocompromised or have another health condition that compromises their ability to fight the infection.
And Dr. Dunnigan says very few people who have received a booster dose have been hospitalized with COVID-19 in Pandemic Task Force hospitals. And the few that are older and immunocompromised.